My name is Andrew Rupno. I'm the CEO and founder of OMNI Solutions. OMNI Solutions is a global leader in UV technology, specializing in the laundry industry. So we offer water, surface, and air sanitation technologies to help improve the bottom line of our customers while maintaining as good or better performance of their products to their customers. So UV technology has been around for over 100 years, and it's been used in many other applications. It's a very effective disinfectant and cleaner in other industries, and we were the first ones to apply it to the laundry industry. Like the sun, UV light is a natural sanitizer. It creates the ozone layer. So we use the same natural process that the sun does to purify our air. We apply that to the laundry industry. So for on-premise laundries, what this allows the user to do is to reduce their total water consumption, reduce their hot water consumption, improve disinfection, and improve whiteness of the linen. For larger commercial plants that have tunnel washers, it gives them a pathway to reuse the press water into the rinse zone and reducing the fresh water going in. So overall reductions in total water. By reusing that press water over again, you're reusing the hot water over again, so the overall demand for heating water goes down as well.
People always ask me how OMNI Solutions got in the commercial laundry business. Well, it started about 2 years ago. Paul Jewison agreed to let us trial the system in his conventional plant, but he has some tunnels as well. So we went on one of the tunnels, and within about 4 to 6 weeks, we had one of our first systems operational. In only 2 short years, we're at an incredible place like North Texas Healthcare Laundry, making incredible inroads where Paul had older systems, older tunnels, made a big impact. North Texas Healthcare, fairly new tunnels, still a great impact. OMNI Solutions is a great system for helping people that have expensive water, expensive sewer charges, or maybe some older tunnels that don't really optimize all the reuse. What we're able to do is we're able to capture the water and sanitize it and put it back in the washer, so the total amount of water doesn't change, but the amount of fresh water changes. And that's really where you get the biggest savings. The other corollary benefit is that that water that we're reusing is so much hotter than the water coming out of your temper tank or out of the ground. And that additional savings is something you'll receive right away. So what's great about when OMNI leaves the building, your water savings is realized right away. Your heat savings is realized right away. And I don't need to tell you what hotter cakes do in a conventional dryer system. Hotter cakes, quicker dry times.
So our systems have been installed here for about a year, and previous to installation, they've had a well-run plant, well-run operations, and a very good procedures in place for infection control. So after installation of our systems, they've realized savings in water and in rewash. So we were able to save them about 35% on water consumption and a 25% reduction in rewash, all while maintaining their excellent quality for their customers.
One of the other things that people always ask me is about rewash. It's one of those things where the pounds that operate the best, the gap between pounds served and pounds processed is as narrow as possible. One of the impacts we're able to have with additional oxidation is greatly reducing rewash. At the plant we're at right now in North Texas Healthcare, they went from 1.2, 1.3% rewash to under 1. And for a plant that runs almost 50 million pounds, that's a significant amount of laundry. That's the kind of impact we can have on your plant. The more work you produce, the more work you can serve. One of the questions we always get is, how much does the OMNI Solution System cost? And I really don't think that's the best way to look at it. It's really an investment. So the return on that investment has a couple of variables. One is how much you're paying for your water now. What's the corollary sewer charge with your water? And lastly, how much fresh water do you really use on a gallons per pound basis? We can attack all those things. So your return on investment can be as quick as those variables end up being.